Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I can show you how you guys will hide your page title if you are using Elementor or if you are using WordPress editor. So in the booths, you guys can able to hide your page title. So now we can start. So you can see this is a page. So you can see the page URL is backlinks, and also you guys can see the breadcrumb is backlinks. So that means I have hidden the page title. So now we can start. So simply I can create a new page. So there I can go to create new post, pages, test page, and simply I can make it publish. Okay, and I can click to open in next tab. So you can see this is a page title, this is a page URL. So how we can hide it? So there is a two option to simply you guys can scroll your page editor. Then you guys can go on bottom section. There is a disable page title. You can check this box, and now you guys can refresh your page though. So you can see your page title is hide from the front end. Okay, and the second option is if you guys can open Elementor. So I can make it publish visible, refresh it again. So page title is visible. So if you guys are using and if you wanting to disable your page title through the Elementor, so there is also option. So you guys can see this is a Elementor dashboard. So simply you guys can go on settings section, and there is a option hide title. You can make it yes, and you can update it, and you guys can see your page title is removed from front end. So this is a too simple process. So there you guys no need to you guys can install any plugin, any another codes. You guys can make it any changes. This is a simple process. So if you're wanting to change your page, hide your page title, so this is a process. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request to you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.